look at these.
That looks good.
How many blueberries we got?
How many?
100.
I think you're doing good.
I'm taking off of this one goes blueberry.
Whoa, whoa.
I approve this tree.
You approve of this blueberry tree?
I ate a really sweet one.
Was it delicious?
Yeah, and then the next one was really sour.
Would you like this really poison one?
Poison one.
That looks like the poisoned apple off of Snow White. You know,
Let
the
me
one
see
with
it.
the face.
I know.
Eat it!
Ow!
Eat it! I'll take the tree to get the blueberries off. No. That doesn't work.
Oh no,